Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today. I'm going to be making for you Calamari Ripieni, which is stuffed squid. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are done, perfect for the stuffing. I'm going to put them on the side to cool off and get started on my tomato sauce. Okay, now I'm going to season my sauce. There's the salt. I'm going to add the tentacles to the stuffing. And this makes it so yummy. Okay, these babies are ready to go. The oven, it's heated. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.